I'm going to shut down Burger King. Hot 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 hot. Yay, I shut down Burger King. Yay, I shut down Burger King. Oh no, it's Stargill the Flip Hero Boy TK4 that works at Burger King.
Dark Bulldozer Operator Bowser Jr. Did you just shut down Burger King? Tell me the truth right now, or else you will be in big trouble.
Well, the truth is, yes, I did shut down Burger King.
Dark Bulldozer Operator Bowser Jr. How dare you shut down Burger King? You know you are not allowed to do that at all. That's it. Go home right now while I call your parents.
No 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 no. When Dark Bulldozer Operator Bowser Jr.com.
Dark Bulldozer Operator Bowser Jr. How dare you shut down Burger King? You are not allowed to do that at all.
That's it. You're grounded for 1140 years.
Go to your room right now.